So let me quickly start with Copy.ai. So there we are. Copy.ai. I already have an account. You might need to log in. So don't worry about it. Take your time, log in, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, create an account with Google, Facebook, whatever you want. And there we go. I really hope you guys have enjoyed the modules so far, all the learnings. Now you're a pro at creating Facebook ads. 50 to 100 dummy ads or practice ads will, give you a super boost in, the entire advertisement thing. And make sure you have created those 50 or 100 dummy ads, each unique ad with different demographics, with different detailed targeting, so that you explore more and more things, different campaigns, explore them. Okay. So here we are in Copy.ai. All you need to do is go to tools. You can chat now, but I personally prefer to go to tools. So I can chat now just like ChatGPT, but I don't know if that's boring. So automation, assets, projects. I already have some projects. So I'm gonna go to projects, but okay. Create a headline. Product is let's take my 10-year-old daughter is creating handmade organic soaps. So let's go for handmade organic soaps. That's it. Are we gonna get something out of it? And I just got one. Share 10 headlines. Audience is mainly female. Now I'm giving more partial information. All right. Sorry, I was unable to complete your request. So that is a problem, right? Now, what if I write, copy this, shift enter, remove the grammatical errors, share 10 headlines for a Facebook ad. And now, what about this? There you go. Now Copy.ai is evolving and we are getting more and more better results. You can go through the results, pause the video, and then you can see how it looks like.